Hey, it's Kyle with Midwest Aftermarket on this gorgeous day next to this gorgeous truck, talking about a gorgeous tonneau cover. Now, maybe you have a tonneau cover you're not happy with. Maybe you're thinking about getting a tonneau cover and you go, okay, I would like something that looks sleek and sexy, that's very water resistant, that's easy to put on, and is just overall a sweet, awesome tonneau cover. Boom! Right here, talking about the Lomax Access hard folding tonneau cover. Let's open this bad boy up and take a look. Come on, there it is. All right, first of all, you're gonna notice this gorgeous color. I'm talking about that gunmetal matte finish. Ooh, it's so low profile. Looks like something RoboCop would have if he had a tonneau cover. Let's open this bad boy up. First of all, it's super easy to open up, and you can do this. You can have your tailgate up, you can have your tailgate down. When you close this all the way, it doesn't matter. It's that simple. Let's jump on into this thing. Ha-ha! All right. So here we go. Pull it like this, boom, it just folds back. Yeah, I'm not fidgeting around and calling my friends and asking for help and Googling how to mess with my tonneau cover. It's super simple, it's super easy. We're gonna fold this guy back right here, and then all we gotta do is pull this, boom, pops off, just like that. And again, you can install this by yourself. You can take it off by yourself. The rails stay on. It is just that simple. If you'd like to pick one of these bad boys up, go to MidwestAftermarket.com. You can pick up the phone, give us a call. Look at how, this is a sexy tonneau cover. That's really sexy. I'm Kyle, and we'll see you next time. Thought you'd get away from me, didn't you, huh? I'm gonna take you out to a nice steak dinner and kiss you right in the mouth.